Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You'll start by opening the tools that find songs. First, make sure Wi-Fi or cellular is active and volume is audible. This helps recognition and previews. Open Apple Music or the Shazam app, or swipe to Control Center and tap the music recognition icon. Once done, let the phone listen for 5-10 seconds so it captures enough audio. You're doing this now because short clips can be ambiguous. Longer listening improves accuracy. You should hold the iPhone close to the speaker without covering the mic and let the app capture the sound. As it listens, you'll see a waveform or spinning indicator. That visual confirms it's analyzing. When a match appears, tap it to see artist, album, and a short preview. Make sure to check multiple matches if offered, because live mixes or noise can return similar songs. If the preview matches, you can add it to your library or save for later. You'll finish by saving the match. Add the song to your music library or Shazam list so you don't lose it. If the app fails to identify the song, listen for a clear line of lyrics, then type them into the music search or web search to find results. If things go wrong, retry in a quieter spot, update the app in iOS, and test the microphone with voice memo. These steps fix common recognition problems and explain why retries often succeed.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.